Ever wonder what it's actually like to stand next to a mountain of molten rock? It's terrifying, beautiful, and honestly, a bit surreal. Most of us think of volcanoes as just big mountains that blow their tops, but there is so much more going on beneath the surface. First, let's talk about where they actually are. You might think they're just random, but the vast majority of them live in a giant horseshoe shape in the Pacific Ocean. It's called the Ring of Fire, and it's basically a massive conveyor belt of volcanic activity and earthquakes. Next, did you know that not all volcanoes are on land? In fact, most of the world's volcanic eruptions happen deep underwater. There are thousands of underwater vents and volcanoes on the ocean floor that we barely even see, shaping the Earth from the bottom up. Then we have the sheer power of a blast. Some eruptions are so violent they don't just leak lava, they blast ash and gas miles into the atmosphere. This can actually change the weather for the whole planet, blocking out the sun and dropping global temperatures for years. Now, let's get weird. Not all volcanoes spit out fire. There are actually volcanoes that erupt ice. These are called cryovolcanoes, and they're found on icy moons and dwarf planets in the outer reaches of our solar system. Instead of lava, they shoot out a freezing slush of water and ammonia. Finally, let's look at the scale. While some are small, there are volcanoes so massive they can barely be seen from the ground. Some of these giants are hundreds of miles wide, making the mountains we see on land look like tiny pebbles in comparison. From the depths of the ocean to the frozen edges of space, volcanoes are the ultimate architects of our universe. Which one of these surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.